Welcome to Black Hat Hacking series. So in this video we are going to cover about a very exciting topic of social engineering, which is named as AutoLink. If you can see this type of email which I have received, it shows that in your inbox it shows me my email ID, and if I click the message that please recover your messages, and the email is received from Office 365, if I click it, a phishing page would be opened in front of me of Office 365, and it will automatically show me my email here. So if you send this email to maybe 10,000 people, and everyone, once they click this link, everyone will be shown with their own email here. Now it gives a very good impact on the victim's mind, because if he sees that his email is already filled and he just have to enter his password, he thinks that it's original. He doesn't suspect that it could be a fraud. Because if the Office 365 already have our email, we trust it. Because we created an account there and they have our email, it means they know us. So there would be a trust relationship, and the victim will be entered his password without any doubt. So now how it can be done? How you can create this type of phishing page with the AutoLink, and how you can send it to people. Now first of all, you need a phishing page like this one. I have all these files which you have to upload into a cPanel, as I have shown you into a video of where we have bought a domain on a qhoster.com, and we also bought a hosting there. And in the cPanel you have to upload all these files in the file manager. Once you upload it, it will be, this is the main file with which you will be linked on. So this is a PHP file. So if you are uploading it, for example, if your name is like goldcentric.com / this would be the file name, this would be your link. This will be the link which it will be made. And now if you see our own, this is something myhire.ru, this is a Russian company, /au/1/outlook/ this is a long folders it being created there, and then / the same file name, $login is equal to, which will automatically be taken. So the point is this, it's also redirecting to the same file which I have set. Now after uploading all these files over your cPanel, then what you do is, we will use our Fastmailer Pro. We go to options, and if you can see, we are using a Gmail ID, a password, and smtp@gmail.com is already filled. Okay. Now if you go to our group name, we are going to send with the name of Office 356 Center and office@365.com, and even if you see, the email came from Office 365 Center, and in the mailing list I am sending to this email ID. And what would be the message? You have to choose HTML message here, and same thing you paste. If you see, at 6:58 AM you're in your mailbox. At 6:58 AM your mailbox. Only one thing you have to change: email %. This part means that fill the victim's email here. That's it. And if you see, it automatically filled the email here. Now once they click the message, we wish that their email should also be filled here as well. So we give a hyperlink that recover messages, and we give the same link with the question mark. This is the PHP file, $login is equal to, if I copy it, this is the one. So the link would be, your link will be this one. that gold cent, this is the name which you will be buy, like for example any name you can buy, slash, this will be the file name which you will pick out of all. You just, because this all the files are uploaded on the goldcentric.com, and then this is the file name you give, question mark login is equal to percentage email percentage. It means take the automatically the email from the victim's Gmail ID, right? So we are using some another name and it have a long folders slash outlook slash this slash that, then the page is there. But in your case you do not need to make so many folders, you can directly upload it over your name and you can like this way, and you give the whole message. Just in the case of the email ID you give percentage email percentage, where victim's email would automatically be filled on for all the victims. If you send this email to 10,000 people, they all will see their own email at this place. But we have just one person to whom we are sending, and we will click send, and it's delivering now and successfully sent. And if you see, this is type of email which you'll receive, and it will show you your email ID here, and even you can see down the hyperlink here. You will see the hyperlink when I hover my mouse. If you can see down there, it's showing you login is equal to, where I have gave percentage email percentage, it's showing me my email, and the same email it automatically be filled here. So this is a very good technique which we call it auto link, that it will autofill the email ID of the victim, that he just have to enter the password rather than he have to enter a username and a password both. Where he have to enter a username and a password both, it looks suspicious that it might be a phishing page. But where they just have to only enter the password, it seems to that the front company is the real company. That's why they have our email. A fake company could not be having our email ID. So they'll enter their password without any doubt. So I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.